Today's video, we'll be talking about profitable products that you should start selling. Now, in this video, I'm going to be explaining everything about mini importation, and you are going to find value in this video. And don't forget that at the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing a bonus tip. And for you to get the bonus tip, you need to watch this video till the end, because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be releasing the first bonus tip in the next 5 minutes, and the next bonus tip will going to be at the middle of the video, and then the last bonus tip is going to be at the end of this video. So you don't actually want to miss any part of this video. So without further ado, guys, let's dive into today's tutorial. Like I have said that in today's tutorial, I will be sharing 5 profitable business you can actually start here in Nigeria or any part of Africa that you are watching me from. So guys, I'm going to be showing you some of the things I have imported and actually using on my own, and some I'm selling it. There's a waist trainer I imported last year, and up to now I still have them. That is because I have not gone into the market very well, and I've just been posting on Facebook Marketplace. I don't want to spend money on ads, guy. I just don't want to spend money on ads because I'm actually selling this waist trainer at a high cost. And actually see it, guys, they are beautiful and awesome. So I have them of different color and sizes, and you can see them here. So guys, if you need any, just comment below. Is that in 2023 the yuan was cheaper than what it is today. So we all know the situation we are passing through in Nigeria presently, and the high cost of dollars and yuan. Now it is important for you to know that the cost of dollar will always affect the cost of yuan. So as dollar keep rising, yuan will also keep rising. So guys, then yuan was cheap, and could get you one for 150. Yeah, you could get you one for 85 naira and so forth when I bought this waist trainer. And each one of this waist trainer cost me just 800, 700 for the landing cost. The landing cost simply means that I have bought it there in China, and I calculated my shipping, my agent fee, because when I imported this waist trainer, they know that the fact that I can import on my own. So now, guys, I will be showing you how you can do that on your own. So I imported this with the help of an agent, so I need to pay agent fee. So, but I sold this waist trainer recently at the cost of 9,000 naira. How much profit did I make? I made a profit of 8,200 naira per one. 8,200 naira per one. And the person was so happy because she saw the product in Jumia. It cost 12,000, it cost some cost 15,000, and I was selling it for her for 9,000, 10,000. So people will appreciate. So guys, you don't need to hike the price that much. This simple tripod that I can just hold, and you see, guys, I can just enlarge it and then keep it by. Let's say I'm sleeping and I want to watch a movie, just slide it, put it, I'll just be lying down on my bed, I'll be watching. But you see this tripod here, tripod 3110. So you see here I imported, and the tripod I'm using to also record this video, and also the ring light that I'm using. I'm going to snap the ring light and every setting at the end, so that you get to see. The next was this beautiful mic that I bought. So you see this mic is awesome. Now I connected this mic with just my head of charger and its peak. But what I use it for is that I connect it with my laptop, and I'm able to record with my laptop using this microphone, and my voice become more clearer. And the next I imported is this mic here that I'm actually using also. So you see, guys, and the weight was not something high because this mic doesn't, it's not heavy at all. And you know that this will not be heavy. And the waist trainer was not something that's heavy. So sometimes 3 or 5 of this waist trainer could cost just 1 kg. And so then dollar was cheap and guys, everything was packaged and it was not up to 3 kg. So is that not awesome? So let's move into today's video. Without further ado, let's explain the 5 profitable products that you can import from China in 2024 and make money from them. This is because these products are evergreen. So these products are profitable and they are evergreen. So before you start looking for this evergreen product, you need to make your own market research. So the first website I will be recommending for you is to use Alibaba.com. Now, using Alibaba will give you the edge of seeing profitable product and quality of the product. So you can compare the prices there on Alibaba.com with AliExpress.com. You can then compare it with that of 1688 and Pinduoduo. So Alibaba is one of the tools you can use for your research. Number 2 is Amazon. Yes, you can use Amazon to check the quality of the product on Amazon and compare it with that of Alibaba, AliExpress, 1688 and Pinduoduo. So you can check the bestseller on Amazon on the product I'm going to be listing, and then you will see the kind of product they are selling. You consider going to Amazon, check the Amazon bestseller on the product I'm going to be listing. Number 3 is to use Google Trend. Yes, Google Trend is important. So you need to use Google Trend to be able to see the product that is selling currently. Number 4 is Sell.Who. Sell.Who is a website where you can check the trending products and you can actually make your and see the cost of it and the estimated people who are into that product. Number 5 is Jungle Scott. Jungle Scott is a website also that helps you search for profitable business products, and getting these products is easier from those sites. So when you now know that this product, these are the ones I want to buy and these are the ones that are selling, then you now over to 1688 Pinduoduo to buy them at a cheaper price. I always say that as long as you are going into mini importation, do not consider using AliExpress for business. You need to use 1688 Pinduoduo because in those sites it's 10 times cheaper than what you see on AliExpress. But you can buy on AliExpress if it's for your personal use or for family, or you're buying for somebody for just a recommended use. So the first product I'll be listing today that you need to consider is phone cases. Yes, phone cases is one of the products that is selling. So you need to consider phone case business. Now, why we say phone case business is based on the fact that it has a high demand and low competition and is very affordable. The average price is $5 to $10 and the potential profit is 30 to 50%. 30 to 50%. The next product that you can actually sell is wireless earpods. Yes, wireless earpods are growing demand and affordable and easy to use. They are very easy to use. Average price is $20 to $30 and potential profit is 40 to 60%. So earpods are a very good product that you can start selling and make money from it. Number 3 is home security cameras. Yes, any home security camera sells a lot. So these products are high in demand and Home security camera is increasing demand, competitive pricing. Average price is $50 to $100, and the potential profit is 30 to 50%. And you can get all these products on 1688 and Pindodo. The fourth is smart watches. Smart watches. They are trending product, affordable, and future rich. The average price is $30 to $50, and the potential profit is 40 to 60%. And the last on the list is lead lighting. Energy efficient, in demand, and affordable. Average price is $10 to $20, and the potential market is 30 to 50%. I know that some of you are scared when you are hearing $30 to $50. That is just an estimate of the best quality of this product. An estimate of the best quality of this product. So you can actually get at a cheaper price. And I bet you that you can get this product as cheap as 1,000 naira, 800, 1,005, 3,000, and so forth. So you need to consider these products. They are high in demand. So you can actually build a brand around them. So guys, you can comment below and share your ideas if what I just said is something you don't agree with, or this product will not sell in 2024 and beyond. But I feel that this product, based on the research that I have made, they are increasing high demand products. They are competitive products. So the next tip I'm going to be sharing, the last tip, is to go into business. Please consider using the sea shipping. As long as you are buying in bulk, do not use air shipping unless it is something that is needed urgently. But if you want to make profit, go into sea shipping. And when you engage or go into sea shipping, it gives you more profit. And so guys, if you found value in this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell.